10 kinds of funding any startup can get. What can a startup do? Fortunately, there are options. Any startup can get many of these. The idea is to play to your strengths and the company's strengths. There is funding to match. Inventory financing. Use your existing inventory as collateral for business financing. You'll need inventory valued at $500,000 or more. You can get approved for a line of credit for 50% of inventory value. Rates are usually 5 to 15% depending on the type of inventory. Funding within 3 weeks or less. Inventory loans. The minimum inventory loan amount is $150,000. The general loan to value, or cost, is 50%, so inventory value would have to be $300,000 or more. It can't be lumped together inventory like office equipment. Equipment financing. Get financing to buy or lease new equipment. Use your first and last month's payments to be approved. Rates vary widely based on risk factors. You can be approved with an average credit score of 650 or better. The lender will undervalue equipment by perhaps up to 50%. This is on major equipment only. Lender won't combine a lot of small equipment. You can get loans up to $2 million. Equipment sale or leaseback. If you already own your equipment free and clear, you can use that as collateral for financing. You can sell the equipment to a lender for cash. You then lease it back from them. You need at least one larger piece of higher value equipment to qualify. Funding in as little as 3 weeks. Other collateral can also be used. Investors looking to buy and flip properties can get financing. They must also have cash, experience, and average credit or better. You can get financing against commercial real estate. Insurance agents can get book of business financing. Let's recap. A startup usually can't get a conventional loan, but there are several other types of financing they can get. Try unsecured financing or credit cards, or secure a loan with collateral. Use securities, a 401k, or accounts receivable as collateral. Inventory and equipment can also serve as collateral. Build business credit because it will help your company for years to come. More options are SBA startup loans and crowdfunding if you have a product which will get donors excited. There are more startup loans, sometimes from VC companies. Also check your alma mater and consider trying for government grants. Contact us today to learn more about 10 kinds of funding any startup can get.